Do it yourself on Auto Expert. We teach you basic things you can possibly do in your car without calling a mechanic. Cars won't start. Loud clicking sound. Do you have any of this problem with your car? Check this first. Always check the battery connection first. When battery terminals are loose, it is also a problem. Clean terminals and tight battery connections are required. Easy fix. Step 1. Clean and tighten battery terminals. Step 2. Clean the battery terminals using 1 tablespoon of baking soda mixed in 32 ounces of hot water. Step 3. Pour the baking soda and water over the terminals. Caution: eye protection and gloves can't hurt. Baking soda helps to neutralize the battery acid. After washing, tighten the battery connections. Rinse with plain water. Success.